Honor, I want you to look in my face, Your Honor, and tell me if this is wickedness. This is
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. On another style, I pull on this, so bless up, subscribe if for your first time. You see me? Up today we are going to talk about Judge Chat and Laugh. It's a different vibe. Chat and Laugh upgrade to a courthouse. You see me? So right now them are going to debate on who, you see me, guilty from not guilty. A girl borrow an ex-girl money in up a style or no one pay her back, and she know she a single mom. So let's see what goes.
Good night.
Yeah, I am not gonna buckle up myself on this situation, Your Honor.
Okay.
I realize that you have a hammer and you have a gavel. That is for who is going to misbehave. Okay?
Yeah, right.
Listen to me now, lover. This is COVID-19. I don't have on my mask at this time, but yes, this is a situation. And if I, in this epidemic, can take up, remember you say I'm in a one room. I'm in a one room.
Right.
One room with me, one picnic.
Right.
Why you with a job would have take up yourself and take my one room money with my one picnic? You say me asleep in a living room.
Welcome back,
Okay, so-
viewers
so
and the
excuse me, so that
subscribers.
was, the
Bless up on
defendant,
yourself
saying about you
first
being,
and the
your
foremost.
client?
A bull on it. On another style though. So subscribe if for your first time over here, so call bag of people are subscribe. So up next on Judge Chat and Laugh, make us see.
You understand? You're giving all sorts of talk about $100 every 2 weeks. Why wouldn't you give me $100 every 2 weeks? That is 3 months. I'm gonna wait for my one little $500 that I take
Right.
up and give you one time. I take it
Right.
up and give it to you one time. Boom, in your hand. Why can't you take it up back and give it to me? You understand me?
Okay.
But you want to talk about my child. You want
Whoa.
to talk about my living condition. But you took my money.
Right.
You took it. And Your Honor, I want you to understand this, you know. We're not talking about where we live, where we are. We're talking about the $500.
$500.
The money was loaned to you. A loan. And this, my client, is appalled. She's appalled, right? She's in shock. Because she can't believe the same amount that
Right.
came to her. And asked her genuinely, is backbiting her right now. Like a mosquito. Like a fucking mosquito. I mean, the same amount that came when she called her on the phone and she was sounding sad. She said, why are you sounding this sad? She said, you know what? I'm going through this and I need this to go on my rent. My rent is short and I need $500. She said she needs $480
$480?
to go on the rent because the rent was due.
Okay.
And she don't have all of it. Your Honor, my client take it up on her one room self. One room single mother self and take up $500 that she don't have in this epidemic to lend this girl to don't sleep on the street. Your Honor, I want you to look in my face, Your Honor, and tell me if this is wickedness.
This is straight up wickedness.
Come on! You are talking about the one room. You are talking about my son. But we're not talking about paying
Right.
my $500 that I took up out of the same one room. And
Right.
to you.
Right.
Same one.
So excuse me, excuse me, so
Yes.
your client is here?
My client is here and she's in this courtroom and she's not feeling very well about this situation because at the end of the day, even her clothes she borrow. My client is such a willing-hearted person. She looked at me and she said, you know what, Pretti? I have a Burberry dress. That me, one room, Nana, good pussy proper.
Burberry?
Designer, good designer. Bitch want borrow. Me say, all right, bitch.
Burberry.
You understand me? What you do with your paycheck? You like to buy a little bleach out boys. That's what my client said. She like little young bleach out boys with intense. The descendants, if that's what you want to call the thief. If that's what you want to call the thief, call it that. But my client said when she's taking up her little paycheck bitch out, boys. She's not trying to pay back the $500 to one room. Now, you're talking about my one room. You're not talking about the Burberry dress I borrow, my shoes. Bitch, I'm willing for your picture to make a report for fucking Instagram because guess what? I'm the shit in your iPad and guess what? We don't do that. Because my client is not about hostility. You understand me? We are about gratitude. We give. And out of her goodness of heart, she give this fucking backbiter, this mosquito. She give this mosquito her money. Remember now, she have a job.
Right.
She said my client don't. Okay. My client don't, but let me tell you this. I have a couple witnesses here that can tell you, Melissa Fabulous. You see, that girl who did it from the beginning to the end. I'm talking about Pretty Eye Charlene. These girls know. They know. Leave the well blessed know about the situation, about the wickedness that's going on. I mean, if you owe me $500, why talk about my child? You don't need to talk about my child. Pay me my money. I already told you. I need the money to do a specific thing. I don't need it 100 at a time. I need the $500. You're telling me you cannot give me my $500. You're giving me a payment plan. I am not on child support. My client is not on child support. She did not give you $100 at a time. She gave you $500.
Right. So let me ask you a question. Did your client told her like a date when she need back the money?
She told her immediately as soon as she have it.
Okay.
That was the deal. As soon as you come $500, as soon as ASAP. That's what the deal was. You can't find it for your rent right now. So, of course, you're going to find it next week or the week after. I'm not talking about 3 months after, 4 months. I told you, my client have a business that she's doing. She buy and she sell her little stuff. Them.
Okay.
She even bring down the girl for that. Why would you bring down a girl that's trying? You are a wicked person. The same girl that is trying, you borrow the money and now you don't want to pay it back. You're a wicked person.
Okay.
We're not going to huckle up ourselves on this because guess what? We know the right and we're keeping it.
Attorney Flo, thank you very much.
Yes,
All right, thank you.
Good night.
Pleasant good night.
A pleasant good night. Good night, Chatalava. Good night to everybody with the party that back over here. Because I really don't know where I'm going. So I want to know why I have a blood clot put me in flyers. The last time I put me in flyers, people, the last time I put me in flyers, because of my granddad one year, the last time I put me in flyers, everybody see one little rat back to my like she want from blood clots time. So I have a tell us about the chat and blood clot laugh.
Oh my God, she's here.
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Pleasant good night to you, Cheesy Plaza.
For God's sake, no smoking like photos. Good night. Good night, chat and laugh. Good night, Judge Lava.
Yes.
So I'm here in the defendant of who I defend. All my people in that time. All my client
I don't know. I'm to your client. The client that.
Listen, I'm here and I'm running through all my
documents.
Necessary paperwork. I haven't seen the client name on schedule. Could you give me a call or give me a text stating who am I defending?
Okay.
Okay.
I just heard that.
I'll be back.
I just heard that. Your client is the one that had the 500 and decided on giving her back to
my client. So my client is the suspect then.
Yes. I heard that she live in Jersey and have a one. Yeah.
I'm going to write down notes.
Yeah.
Yo, hold on. I want my client name right, yes, a she. My client name.
I just heard that she named someone in a Barbie and she have a white Benz and she live in Jersey.
What type of Barbie? Black Barbie, brown Barbie, blue Barbie, what type?
I don't know. The suspect.
So just Barbie?
Just Barbie with the white Benz. Put it like that.
Yeah.
Alright?
Just Barbie?
Just
So Barbie there. I need to have my word with Barbie because there's a cost over here. And I don't work like that, you know. Where is Barbie?
Where?
So also never just defend somebody when we don't know who can defend?
Well, I don't know. Probably paperwork soon come in.
Well, me wait for the paperwork because right now my arm a little check right there so to right. So
Yeah. Well, I
Army
understand.
talk to me nice.
We don't heard from your client, so they decide to sign you as a legal aid lawyer.
never.
A legal aid lawyer to her. Okay? So
Alright, I'm waiting
All
on
right,
the
thank you,
paperwork.
ma'am. All right, no problem. All right then. Oh boy. And we have okay. Okay. Well, people. Well, I'm trying to get you with some more jury tonight. Alright, cancel this one. Go back right here. Okay. Trip to Paseo. Stay right there. Was Benzema, big up yourself. Alright then. See there, everybody. Pleasant good night, Shauna.
Good night.
Okay. How is everything?
Everything is good. I'm just here, ready to listen and
Decide.
observe and decide. Yeah.
Thank you very much. All right then.
All right.
Okay. Does Shauna represent for Jamaica also? Yes. Purely purified, big up yourself. Yes. We'll just check in and see if all the jury is here first, then we're going down the line. So just be with us, people. Remember, we're doing everything through network. Okay? And we have over 10,000 people on the live already.